Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Zoho email campaign. First, log into Zoho Campaigns and locate the Campaigns module. Click on Create New to begin. You will then select your campaign type, perhaps a standard or an /B test campaign. Give your campaign a memorable name, which helps with organization later. This initial step is crucial for a well-structured and effective outreach. Next, it's time to design your email. Zoho Campaigns offers a wide array of templates, or you can start with a blank canvas. Drag and drop elements to add your engaging content, including captivating images and clear calls to action. Remember to personalize your messages using merge tags like first name, which can significantly boost engagement rates by over 20%. Now, let's focus on your audience. You can easily import new contacts or choose from your existing mailing lists within Zoho Campaigns. For maximum impact, segment your audience into smaller, more targeted groups based on criteria like location or purchase history. This ensures your message reaches the right people, potentially increasing open rates by as much as 14%. Finally, it's time to review and launch your campaign. Double-check all elements, from your email content to your chosen recipient lists, ensuring everything is perfect. You can send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. For continuous improvement, consider running an /B test on elements like subject lines, which can lead to a 25% increase in click-through rates.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.